Welcome to our channel. Thanks for joining us. Welcome to the beginning of our world tour, where we're aiming to embark on a daring bucket list whirlwind of an adventure to travel and see the world while documenting and sharing as much as possible can. Join us as we relive the highlights of this 2-week journey of unforgettable experiences. My first destination is the captivating, mesmerizing island of St. Lucia, one of the Caribbean's paradise, filled with inspiring sights, delectable cuisine, and warm-hearted locals, where natural beauty and warm Caribbean hospitality awaits. Our adventure begins in the early hours of July 3rd, as we board a late-night flight from JFK Airport, an 18-and-a-half-hour journey, transiting through Guyana. As the first rays of sun peek over the horizon, we touch down at Chedijagan Airport in Guyana. I was amazed by the lush green forestry as it unfolds beneath us, setting the stage for an adventure like no other. A few hours wait, and on to our final destination, Hiwanora International, St. Lucia.
Flight to St. Lucia and then on to London Gatwick. To help us pass as soon as possible, please place all line hand luggage securely into the aircraft.
Filled with excitement, knowing that I'm about to immerse myself in the beauty, history, cultures, and wonders of this tropical gem.
You all together? Or you came?
No.
Okay. Oh, you waited on someone? It was a trip.
Yeah.
Thanks for waiting.
No problem.
Yeah, sure. I will. Thanks.
Welcome to our first day of the World Tour. Today, we invite you to join us as we explore the luxurious Bay Gardens Beach Resort and experience the ultimate day of relaxation and excitement by the crystal clear Caribbean waters. Our home away from home is the beautiful Bay Gardens Hotel, nestled along the pristine shores of Redwood Beach. take you on a room tour as we step into our cozy oasis, with modern amenities ensuring every comfort during our stay. The spacious suite offers stunning views of the pool and lush gardens.
Me? 112. Okay, thank you. Coffee, please. No milk.
The day begins with a delectable breakfast spread at the resort's restaurant.
What should I have this?
We savor a delightful array of fresh tropical fruits, mouth-watering Caribbean dishes,
Sauteed veg, mackerel. Thank you. Can I have another bakes, please? Thank you.
and freshly brewed coffee. With breakfast energizing us, we decided to relax for the first day after such a long journey. So we head to the Bay Gardens Beach Resort. Where the beautiful sand and turquoise waters calls. As we lounge on sunbeds, we soak in the tropical ambiance and let the soothing sound of waves serenade us. All while embracing the gentle sea breeze and basking in the warm island sun.
I see. We're gonna go over there. Is that Pigeon Island? Yeah? Water is so nice.
The day heats up with excitement as we stroll along the shore, embracing the breathtaking views heading over to Splash Island Water Park, the first inflatable water park in St. Lucia. Laughter fills the air as we slide down water slides, bounce on trampolines, and tackle the challenging obstacle course, all set in the midst of the Caribbean Sea. Following park rule, our camera was not allowed, so you couldn't get to see me falling over. After all that jumping around, we went for a swim to cool off in the pristine waters. We grab our gears and set out to explore the underwater world. We only spotted a little sea crab scurrying away and a few tiny, friendly fishies swimming around us. They were almost translucent. We could hardly see them, even though the water was quite clear. Day one of our time in St. Lucia has been a true paradise experience. From the beach to the resort to the excitement of Splash Island and the Caribbean Sea, we've only just scratched the surface of this magical destination. As we continue our journey around the world, exploring diverse cultures, landscapes, and cherished moments that await us. Thank you for watching. You enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.